right, so we're out on a little project we got going today. Got some more cleanup to do, still after this flood that we had in eastern Kentucky a while back. What this is, the homeowner had this house torn down because of the flood damage, and so this is what they're left with is was the old basement and stuff here, and they want all this cleaned up, leveled back out. So that building right there wasn't even on this property, it just washed up. So we're going to tear that down, fill in, put it in this big hole here, get rid of all this rubble, fill this hole in, and then this field out through here is kind of rough, not too awful bad, but we're going to basically slick all it up, make it good and smooth, dig some dirt out of the bank to help fill this hole in, clean it up, make it a nice little spot, just so it ain't a big mess like it is right now. So got Gavin and Lee helping me today, brought the excavator and the tractor out, so we're gonna get started on this and see if we can get this mess cleaned up. So let's get it. Anything in there, Gavo? No. So this building wasn't even here. It washed over here. Let's go ahead and get, there's a Christmas tree.
I told you there's a Christmas tree.
I just heard jump. Get us a good shot over in there. It's got a concrete floor and everything.
I'm gonna get it up.
I know. She said it wasn't even here. It just showed up.
Any waspers, man?
Looks like a good solid made little
Copperhead. Nope. Oh, there is wasp in here. This floor solid enough for me. Come here. Bunch of junk. Hey, wait a minute. That looks like a thing for a carburetor. I don't need it. Silicone. Junk. Oh. Anybody need new lamp shades? Alright, it is kind of hot in here. Old Gav's getting out. They might watch the YouTube channel.
Yeah, there you go.
Hi guys, I know I'm famous. Y'all ain't gotta look over here. Oh my God.
What?
It's beautiful. Look at all that hard wood.
That building's solid. It's got a concrete floor in it and everything.
I don't think it's probably looking very tight.
It ain't gonna be nothing much when I get a hold of it.
That's right.
Look at me run tractor.
Man, you could probably set that up.
I mean, it's still together. I don't know why they want to destroy it.
Yeah. Oh well.
Fill in the hole?
Yep. Everything goes in the hole. You should know that. You're fired.
Fired?
the building out of the way already, old Gevo did. Lee's got a good start on this over here, getting all this stuff that they left pushed over in that hole. There's a couple old tree stumps and stuff washed up in there, you can't really tell, but when they tore the house down, they tore up both sidewalk, and a lot of it's piled up right there. So, yeah, coming right along. What was that, Gevo?
I don't know.
What you should have done when you swung around like that is just flipped your bucket back. No, just, yeah, like opened you know, not move your thumb, just twist your arm that way the bucket goes out, and it would just fly out. Scary though.
Out. You bring some underwear in the truck. We're gonna have to run up to the Wally World up there, get me a new pair of underwear.
That was funny. We'll take you to the dollar store.
Hey, thank you, bud.
Buy me a seat cover too.
I will, but give me a tail light in there.
Yeah.
I run up the dollar and double quick, give me some toilet paper. Cut my shirt sleeves off.
Oh God. getting get some progress made here. Get some dirt piled in this thing. We had a little building over there that we took down. Yeah, but picking up some of that right now. There's quite a bit of stuff needed gotten rid of, so we're just piling her in here. Coming together good. Making a mess, all right. Get him, I see him texting and operating. He got a rope or a cable or something hanging back there behind him. Look at that. Golly. He just now realized it. Here he's Snapchatting about it. Boy, I can't get no work out of that boy. I bet he's still got that cable stuck right through the undercarriage. Let's go over and tell him to get it out of there. Gavin gonna work out. Well, look at them big guns. Gavin's making a mess over here. We'll have to get him on the right path here. I don't see that cable no more, so we might have got her untangled. There it is. tank over there where it washed out. There's a hole like washed out. Put the rocks and the steps over there. You see where you talking about? right, so we loaded up now, ready to head out. Got this kind of going our way, so you can probably tell by looking, there wasn't a whole lot of dirt. We filled in best we could, so what we're going to do is we'll probably be coming back, maybe having to deal with this trailer, and we will, once we get rid of that, we'll take some of the dirt, kind of dress this up even more. But that's kind of all the dirt we could get to fill in. So it turned out to take quite a while to get all this stuff moved and enough dirt to fill that hole in. But we took the porch off of this old mobile home, and they're going to try to get rid of this to see if anybody wants it before we tear it down. So we got rid of the little building and done a little bit of dress up work just to try to make this property look a little better where all this is torn down now. That flood kind of done a number on this place over here. So yeah, got rid of the house, got it filled in. Might have to come back and do a little bit of dress up. It rained quite a bit on us there and started getting a little bit muddy, so you can kind of tell it's getting muddy on us. But yeah, got her filled in and covered up. So let's get on something else.